Morning, everybody. June 22nd. It's been a little while, but been a lot busy. I got 2 items going out today. They already packaged. I got them sitting in the car, so it's already boxed up. But let me just go ahead and let y'all know what it is. The first thing is a lot of 4 Napoleon N330 hinge concealed soft close. There's some hinges that I got from I honestly don't even remember where I exactly got these from. I think I remember. I know I got them from the auction, but I don't know as far as which stuff it came with. But I think I have an idea. But I think it came with all the other window slashes I got and all that. So I think I'm probably I think it was like 19 cents a piece or something when it came down to it. So all together with all 4 of them, about $1.08, I got into these. So, but I sold them for $29.99 plus free shipping. Plus shipping, which they paid. I think it was $3.99. I had like a flat fee for it, but I think it cost me about it cost me about $7.56 to ship off. So still in profit, about $20 in profit there, which is good. I had these for a nice little time, but finally sold. But the next item I got was a vintage Sanyo Betacore VCR 4500. I got I sent the offer for that, and they accepted it for $85. I had it listed for $120 and accepted $85. Plus they paid for shipping, which was $37.95 for shipping. So I think I paid $20 for to ship it off. So all together with that, I paid for the unit was $19.13, and came out all together with a $67 profit and some change. So that's another great thing too. So that's only 2 things so far that's going out. I've been rearranging stuff down here because it's getting a lot cluttered. So I'm trying to figure out a new little system or some way to try to get things back in order. I recently purchased some shelves from Home Depot. It's a little something for right now. Let me show y'all. These are right here. I already got a couple little boxes that's on it right now. I'm trying to get a good. Hold up. There you go here. This one I just put down here because I could put it up there, but it'd give me more room to set stuff on this shelf by putting it here. But I already got a few boxes that's sitting here. Also, I've been giving them labels, like putting the eBay ID number on them and give it a little custom SKU number. So I'm gonna start having to use that because I'm getting to the point where now that I'm getting sales, it's getting harder to find the stuff that I got already packed up. So I got all these boxes. I just got them everywhere. I don't really have a system that's set to just grab them and get it. So now I'm getting to the point of that. So now I'm figuring out a plan to be more efficient with that. So it's a working process. So I got just everything just scattered all around pretty much. So I'm gonna deal with it. It's a working process. It's gonna take time, but it's not gonna stop me from bringing more new stuff to list in here. I'm gonna just have to work as quick as I can, much as I can, whatever available time that I do have. But so far that's it. That's what I'm going through right now. So I haven't even actually listened anything really for probably about a day and a half now. So I need to start listing stuff again, and I'm gonna try to do something today at the same time trying to figure all this stuff out too, getting all this arranged and everything. But hey, everything's a working process. But till then, I'll let y'all the guys know what's going on. But right now, that's it. So I'm gonna leave y'all with that, and talk to you guys later. And whatever else that comes about, you guys be the first to know. All right, I'm gonna see y'all guys in a minute.